When you start seeing that you can do this, that fucking job is going to be secondary now. And that's exactly what you want. You want to do everything that beefs up and fortifies what you're doing as an investor. Because as an investor, there is no ceiling. There is no limit that you can say, okay, this is as much as I can earn. Who says that? Who says that you can't do that? Who says that you can't make $10,000 a month? Who says you can't make $10,000 a week? Who the fuck said you can't make $10,000 a trade? Who's saying you can't? The only person that can stop it is you. You. The same person that's saying, I don't like having to go to work, but man, I'm glad I got my job right now. What would I do if I didn't have my job? What the fuck would you do if you didn't have your job and you're earning money from your investments? That's the question you should be asking. Flip it. Instead of saying, what would I do if I lost my job? That's an abusive relationship and you're fucking holding on to it. You need to look at this chart right now. One of these two areas in the day, that's your home. That's where you're going to start. At your next home that you're going to move into. Mentally, psychologically, and you're going to live there. You're not going to give a fuck what the neighbors are doing in the morning session if you're trading in the afternoon. If you're trading in the morning session, you don't give a fuck what your neighbors are doing in the afternoon session. You're picking one. You're going to become a specialist in this, in that specific time of the day. The problem is you want more right now. You're holding yourself to an expectation that you are not realistically going to meet. And then you're wondering why you're depressed and anxious. You're feeling rushed. You're weighing yourself against what you think you should know by now. And